Made it. This is our cute little villa. How's the bathroom?
Not too bad.
Okay. This is our view. We have like a little chair and table and then a pool, and then there's the river back there. There are literally lizards everywhere. Made it to the night market. We're gonna check out some food options here, chill for a bit, and then see what to do for the rest of the night. So this seems to be one of the best massage places in town because it has really good ratings, and somebody we met yesterday recommended it to us. Hopefully they have someone available to do it for us. So we just booked a massage appointment for tomorrow at kind of like a pricey rate, like what's considered pricey here, because it seemed like a pretty unique place and like very catering to the needs of like you. Now we're gonna eat some dinner and then check out the night market. Hey, we're about to try Laos coffee. Also with a chocolate croissant to make everything better. How does it taste? Does it taste different than regular coffee? Is it sweet? Is it not sweet?
I would say it has like a more bitter aftertaste.
Wait, I can confirm it has an incredibly bitter aftertaste. Like, I'm not even gonna drink it. It's too bitter for me.
Their family pack is our regular size. Imagine when they see our family packs or American family packs. The Costco packs.
Oh my god. We're back at the night market for Noman to get something to eat. I already ate my food. He's been having neck pain for a while, so we went and got him some medicine. So sad. Actually, it was ever since we took that bus.
Yeah.
So
I slept wrong on that bus somehow.
That's a big risk if you're planning on taking that bus. Getting our breakfast. This is the first time getting a pancake in Southeast Asia, and it's banana flavored. Pancake is actually really good. Banana pancake. But they don't seem to have a concept of syrup here. I think to our next hotel because we couldn't find any place that could be booked for like 4 days straight that we liked. So today we're going to the next hotel, and then tomorrow we're back to the original one. We have to take our shoes off before entering this hotel. I already love it. Oh my gosh, look at our room. Woo! That is the river right there. Oh my god.
Okay. Hey, so we are going to be taking these bikes that is provided by the hotel to our trips today. So, look at this fancy girl.
Made it in one piece. High five. We're going to this place called the Cat Cafe. Oh my god, so excited. Loving the concept of taking your shoes off before you go anywhere. Oh my god, a bubble tea from here. How is it?
Good. Exactly what I expected.
Nice. Okay, I decided to give pad thai another try because I don't actually like the texture, but well, look at this cafe we just came to. Look at those kids swimming across the river. Rode our bikes to a dinner spot tonight. We're walking up to the terrace. We noticed a lot of these places don't have elevators. You gotta walk up the stairs to get the good view. You gotta put in the work. So from here you can see the entire night market. Got our burgers. This restaurant is super weird though. They brought Noman's food like 15 minutes earlier than mine, and then we noticed that they've been doing it at every couple's table. Not every couple, like anyone that comes as a party, they bring it like individually instead of all at the same time, which is what we're used to. Good morning. Today we got our scooter rental. Yay. And it's our 8 years, 10-month anniversary. And we're having breakfast riverfront. Look at this beautiful view. We are walking to get our scooter rental. We're probably gonna do it.
I'll be driving.
We're gonna split the driving.
Sure.
We're probably gonna get it for 2 days.
Today, as soon as we get it, we're basically ready to take it to the waterfalls. So
Our scooter is here.
that scooter.
JK, this is our scooter. I like this red better anyways. Okay, no one is insisting to ride it first. Okay, he's gonna go test it out. You're good? Okay. So, we were warned by everybody and every forum and everything online saying, don't overestimate your abilities to ride a scooter. And then we did, and we booked it for 2 days because we're like, of course we can learn this. And here's the thing, we did, but it's still really stressful. Like, we're able to do it, but we're not enjoying ourselves. Like, we're too focused, and like even that just took a while. Like, we both did it, we're both fine, like we're understanding like how to navigate it and stuff, but oh my god, it's so stressful. And then like if we panic, like we'll put our feet down, which happens naturally, but that's dangerous. So now we're kind of debating what to do because the waterfalls we were gonna go to are 50 minutes away. So that would be a very long 50 minutes because we just did a 5-minute drive and it was like so stressful.
Yeah, and the road to the waterfall is like windy road, so probably won't be the most fun to do.
Which we also read about, and we were like, we'll be fine.
Yeah.
So take it from us, people who are actually like okay to ride it and stuff. It's just not enjoyable unless you have like a really long time. Also getting used to like the traffic and stuff. Like there's stop signs here, but people don't exactly stop and things like that, right? Like it's just very different. So yeah, we're gonna see what to do. We're gonna try to call the company and see if they have like a 3-wheeler bike or I don't know. Yeah, we'll see.
If you don't have to balance, then the rest is easy.
It helps a lot. Yeah.
But the AK riding the bike.
See, we're literally fine when we're alone on it. It's just hard with more than one person. That's just what takes getting used to. Look at him go. Bye, little bike. We'll miss you. Out for lunch. We found a place with a meat and a veggie burger. And it's like right by the main road, and we love people watching. Also have a new appreciation for 2 people on a scooter. Okay, so now we can tell you guys what ended up happening with the scooters. So we decided that since it wasn't going to be fun for us to drive or like ride the scooter for an hour towards where we wanted to go today, which was the waterfalls, we just decided to like return them. Very shameful, and yeah. It's like we accepted defeat basically, but whatever, our safety was more important and we were not enjoying when both of us were on the scooter. So we debated like getting 2 since we're comfortable when we're alone, but then like it wasn't that serious, so we're like, okay, whatever, let's just return it. So we did that for now. And yeah, so now we're gonna go do some laundry. I'll let you know how much that's gonna cost, and we're gonna do the waterfalls tomorrow. We already booked a tuk-tuk. We just saw one like on the street and then approached them and we're like, hey, can you take us tomorrow? And they're like, yeah. So you have anything to add or?
No, just safety is the #1 priority.
Yeah, that's true. And we went to a really cute cafe this morning. I'm just gonna insert pictures because I didn't get to vlog there. I was on the phone. That was fun, and we're a little productive there.
And we had a really nice burger at lunch.
Yeah, that I actually vlogged it. Like I took a video.
Okay, nice.
Okay, I'm filming this because it's really funny. Watch how we exit the door in order to avoid mosquitoes from getting inside, because if one gets in, it will completely destroy Noman overnight. Open the door from one side of me and then, yep. And then
Wait, should I turn off the music?
I run. No, it's fine.
Okay.
And then I run out. And then he quickly runs out behind me. See? Split second.